Hi, everyone. David Sholemson here. I wanted to let you know about a new workshop and a program that we're going to begin this Saturday, January 7th. It's called 3-Body Qigong for a Healthy Body and a Happy Heart. This will be a 2-hour workshop, which will give us an opportunity to look at the root causes of anything that might be holding us back from really feeling a little more clear about life, happier, and keeping our body in a healthy state. So this workshop will also be followed by 7 weeks of Qigong classes, and they'll include body tapping, storytelling, meditation. They'll be a little bit different and a little bit more mixed than what we've been doing over the past couple of years. So different program, a different time. It's 2023, time to reset your body. If you haven't done this practice before, it's very simple. I hope you'll join and just see how you feel afterwards, because this is always about how you feel. All right. Hope to see you on Saturday. All the information is below. Take care. Thank you.